Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Charles' law. Charles' law states that for a fixed mass of a gas, the volume is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, provided that the pressure remains what? Constant. Is that clear? State the Charles' law.
Charles' law states that for a fixed mass of gas, the volume is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, provided the pressure remains constant.
Perfect. Charles' law states that for a fixed mass of a gas, the volume is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, provided the pressure remains what? Constant. Whenever you hear the word directly proportional, it simply means that as one is increasing, the other one is also doing what? Increasing. Now, the volume, can you see the volume here?
Yes.
The volume here is half of the container. As you increase the temperature from 100 to 200, the volume does what? Increases. The volume does what? Increase. It's now increased from here to here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
That means as the temperature is increasing, the volume is doing what? Increasing. And that is the statement here. For a fixed mass of a gas, the volume is directly proportional to the absolute what? Temperature. Whenever you hear the word absolute temperature, it simply means temperature in Kelvin. Temperature in what?
Kelvin.
Now, if you want to state this mathematically, volume is directly proportional to what? Temperature. Absolute temperature in Kelvin. If you want to remove this proportional sign to make it mathematical, or to put equal to, you introduce a what? Constant K. So it's now becomes V equal to KT. Now, making K the subject of the formula, V over T is equal to K. Understand? If you want to compare this over two different volumes and temperatures, you remove this K and you have V1 over T1 equal to V2 over what? T2. So this is the equation that you're going to be using to do calculations. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the graph. And this graph must start from here, minus 273. You understand?
Yes.
We are considering absolute temperature. Now you have volume against what? Temperature. As the volume is increasing, temperature is also what? Increasing. That's why when you have at 100K, you have this volume. At 200K, you have this one bigger volume. Is that clear?
Yes.